Polymer Comply Europe is a service company which is focused on the polymer industry. Which represent 50,000 companies across Europe and 1.5 million workers. And among those members, we have the recyclers.
Recycling companies, they have obligation regulatory to prepare the safety information about their products that they place on the market. And these are in the certain form of documents that are called safety data sheets.
However, their input material, waste, can be of variable composition and can contain certain numbers of dangerous substances. If they would have to analyze all their input streams, that would result in a huge number of tests, which would not be affordable. Also, these are most often SMEs, which means that they have limited resources for all what is regulatory.
Polymer Comply Europe contacted Trasys as a part of their selection process to help them to define and develop solutions that will help the members of European plastic converters and recyclers to comply with the regulatory obligations of Europe.
And then there was the need to be able to provide the right safety data sheets to the right recyclers by enabling them to look into what they know, the application that they are collecting, or extra information that they could give back to us. And that's the interface that we've been building together with Trasys. A series of filters, a series of interface that is enabling the companies to customize safety data sheet based on a database that has been built before and that is giving them several different choices.
What Trasys did is that we conducted the regulatory business analysis as a start to understand what is the problem and what are the needs of users and of the recycling company. That was followed then with the development of the web application and further on with integration of a solution completed result for the users. We also helped the Polymer Comply Europe to make it easier for users to host and maintain the solution over the past several years.
We are already planning to make a new project to further spread out the safety information into the industry to make it even more user-friendly so that actually a maximum number of SMEs can have access to this kind of applications.
I think that's one of the key success of Trasys and NRB as a company is that we offer integrated solution to our customers. We are not just a consulting company or the infrastructure or the IT, but we are integrated services provider company and we are partners to our clients.